Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Hope you had a great holiday. I did. And in January we've got some great diet recipes coming up, so stay tuned for that. But today we're still in holiday mode, so we're making up this. I like grilled cheese, but you know, the old traditional one gets kind of boring, so I decided to make up this. It's a Greek grilled cheese sandwich, and it's got feta, it's got mozzarella, some roasted peppers, absolutely delicious. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. First off, I'm going to take some of that yummy ooey gooey mozzarella and spread it over the top. Now I'm using white bread here, but you can use the bread of your choice. Followed by some feta. I'm just going to kind of crumble this up. I just love feta cheese. After the feta, some roasted bell peppers. I'm just using these, and you can pick them up in just about any grocery store. Some black olives. I just love olives. And my favorite spice, ground black pepper. And last but not least, a bit of garlic powder. Put the top on. Now we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of butter to a pan. And we're just going to let this melt down. Now a lot of people butter the bread, and I don't know why they do that because it just rips it apart. You just add it in the pan, it's quite fine. Put the sandwich in, and we're just going to cook this until it's a beautiful golden brown. Of course, halfway through, you're going to give it the old flipper dipper. Look at that golden brown. That cheese is melting beautifully. Once it's done and the cheese is melted, I'm going to kill the heat. And we're going to plate this up. Okay, I'm just going to cut into this and see what we got here. Okay, and just look at that ooey gooey goodness. This is going to be so delicious. And there you have it, guys. Our Greek grilled cheese sandwich. Alrighty then, let's give this a taste test. Guys, this is so good. It's one of the best grilled cheese sandwiches I've ever had. It's got that crunchiness. The cheeses are great. The roasted peppers are absolutely delicious. You gotta make this. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.